Are we all in?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. We're going now then.
Close the side door.
We have stepped off. I think you guys are following us, but we'll try and keep you guys safe.
2-0 Alpha, this is 1-0 Bravo. Copy on last. Yeah, we told our guys to move as soon as you were in front of us.
I like how we're just going with a door open.
Roger on that.
Yeah.
It's Jonas.
Man, driving car with track IR is so fucking good. Yeah. It looks
Track IR again? Is that fucking
head tracking.
yeah, the thing that's like it's like a camera.
Yeah. I just have a. Oh, what's that? Is that just a bush?
That is a fallen tree, yeah.
Just looked a bit suspicious to me.
As far as I'm aware, this path's already been cleared.
Oh!
Oh! As you drove over an ID, I wondered what we drove over.
Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I know. Yeah. What do you mean? I didn't touch. That's just gonna be like whenever I have to lead this section. I'm usually until we open the new one. I'll probably have most of you guys. You'll just be like, oh yeah, you're just gonna run everyone over again. Good one. Feels bad, man. 1-0 Alpha. This is 1-3 Charlie. We're keeping watch on the south side of the West Road. Over.
1-3 Charlie, this is 1-0 Bravo, copy on last over.
Now you guys just keep yourself turned out, gonna watch forward.
I recommend getting your appointment and Charlie teams out and looking around the market for additional IDs over. We're close.
Perfect.
Hey.
Shot. That came from the east, I believe. Southeast.
Yeah, southeast, yeah. No fucking clue where.
I saw traces, I think, from the south-southeast. Check that hill. Near the one that we usually sit on for this town.
I just point out this gun has no scope.
It does when you've mounted it onto the blindfold.
Yeah, I know.
01545 on top of the hill, Freddy. Just near the rocks, to the right of the rocks.
I don't think I can see him from this angle. Whereabouts are you?
In the trenches. I think he might have gone back to the other side.
Eyes on,
I see him. Fucking civilian.
When are we gonna move on?
Another one by the rocks.
Distance to the rocks at 145 is 470 meters.
In front of the house.
Left of the house. Distance is 400 meters.
I can't hear you guys up here, just saying.
This is 1-2 Charlie to 1-1 Charlie and all other call signs. I'm seeing what looks like reinforcements and entrenched positions on the bridge. Proceed with caution, over.
Boys, I believe we're about to go into a bit of a tussle. The bridge looks to be heavily reinforced. Yeah, the bridge looks to be heavily reinforced with MG mounted nest sort of positions and shit. So yeah, We're approaching now. Be on the lookout.
One's gonna dismount.
Well, 1-3 is going to move towards the left. See if we can get a possible firing position if there are enemies.
Copy. One will move to the right.
Yeah, see me. 1-2 would dismount and move through as well.
Keep your eyes, gunner, on that bridge.
Yeah.
Has anyone have eyes on targets yet?
What?
Any enemy movement on the bridge?
Negative. Yes, at the opposite side I have a clear shot. He's not alerted for to
Copy that. Is it just one? Is it just infantry?
yes. Just
Copy that. This is 1-3 well call signs. We have eyes on 1 infantry personnel on the opposite side of the bridge. It's going to be an enemy. Over. No, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be necessary.
Wait, what bridge is it?
The gunner on the top is huge. Like, I mean, like, sorry, the
Yeah, he spotted us. I'm opening fire. Got him. Nice.
enemy personnel's down. Over.
350. Away.
All call signs be advised, there may still be guys inside those sandbags over.
Got it. This is 1-3 requesting permission to lead the assault of the bridge with a mastiff at the front of it.
A firm lead the assault 1-3, over.
Solid copy. All call signs. Feel free to use this as cover. Over. Boys, we've been granted permission. We're taking the lead on this one. Right. What I want is blue team dismount, get behind the vehicle, move along. I want all of red team in positions where you can fire, so in the hatches. All right. Right. We're moving.
Watch out for mines and shit.
Watch the holes in the sandbags.
Slow down a bit.
Like 5 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, we'll just cover the bits where don't have cover in front of them.
You have your vehicles manned and ready to move as well.
Next to us.
Scan the opposite side of the bridge if you don't see anyone else. This sandbag, be careful, he's on a cord.
You good?
He's off it, he's down. He's down, he's down.
1-1, be advised, we've got a man moving a cord machine gun further up the bridge. Watch yourself.
Straight forward, keep the gun forward.
Scratch that, he's been taken out.
We got one guy down in the hatch.
We're alright, but we're damaged elsewhere. Has anyone got a body bag? Doesn't matter, I got one. Yeah, he's gone. This is 1-3 Charlie to 10 Alpha 10 Bravo message over.
1-3 Charlie to 10 Bravo, send message over.
I'm going to be requesting 1 reinsert for 1 personnel. It's going to be an M Berg over.
Copy on last. I will be able to as soon as we stop getting engage over.
Sol copy.
Who were? Yes, very beautiful goats.
Yes. You want to purchase? Very
no.
good price. Look, you can observe him.
Nice, very beautiful goat. Alright. It was nice
Come closer,
taking...
like feel his horns. Horns very nice, very good quality breed.
Let's not fuck about it, Robbie. Let's just send
Yeah, very nice goats. Alright.
You didn't touch what... Oh, okay.
I'm fine.
I just take them
fine.
away.
Alright, thank you very much, sir.
This one you do not like, I eat tonight.
Alright, alright.
Gary, you little cunt.
Alright.
Gary, you little shit. Hello, sir.
Wait, is that... Wait, hold on. Shit, I have eyes on AA. Static AA.
Yeah.
Reference construction building. Bearing
There's a
235.
shit ton of targets ready.
Yeah, there's a shit ton of targets.
We're getting shot though from ground level somewhere.
Bearing 238, 880 meters. It's an AA.
One down. Two down.
Bearing 235. Oh, he's down. 236, 564 in the 3rd floor of the building.
How the fuck are these not hits? Reloading.
His head is below the bridge.
I can't get a shot on the AA guy. On top.
Freddy.
Yeah.
228 on the roof.
Yeah, range.
530 meters.
Got him.
Hit.
Copy that.
227. 530.
227.
Down.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. In the staircase. Got him.
3rd floor. Down.
Man in staircase down.
I think that's it.
Oh no.
Pretty sure they've just shot a friendly.
Very nice.
Did we go up? Fuck you, please, no.
Go. He's on me. Sorry, I was just trying to find out.